Well, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your lock screen on your Samsung phone. So if you have no lock screen, or if you have like a pattern or something like that, just swipe it down from the top right. Go to settings. Then on your Samsung phone, you want to go to lock screen. Now if you have like a newer version, it might go under biometrics and password. But let's go to lock screen and then choose the screen lock type. And then we can choose swipe, pattern, pin, password. Now you can go to face right here, biometrics, intelligent scan, iris, or fingerprints too if you want to add that. So let's just do like a pattern and then enter in the pattern. And then we should be good to go. So this is going to be my new pattern unlock type now. So you can see when I swipe, there's my pattern. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.